Hi everyone, Susan here. Thanks for stopping by today. I wanted to share with you how to boost your immune system quickly. And these are products that I use and that I take, but I don't want you to take anything that you don't research ahead of time and make sure that it's okay for you. Now, what I take every day is a really high quality probiotic. And a probiotic, really your immune system, about 80% of your immune system is in your gut. So you want to make sure that you have lots of good bacteria in your gut so that it fights off the bad bacteria. I use Renew Life, and this is the brand that I've used for years now. And this is the Ultimate Flora Renew Life brand, and it's the one with the blue label, and this is the Extra Care one. And sometimes I go with the one with the red label, but right now I'm going with the blue Extra Care. I just take one of those per day. And then I take vitamin C, I bump up my vitamin C. Now this is Ester C, and I like this brand because it's less acidic on the stomach and it's time released. And this is the capsule form, and it's 500 milligrams. Now they sell it in a 1,000 milligram tablet, but the tablet's just too big for me to take comfortably, so I just want to let you know that if you have trouble swallowing, don't get that 1,000 milligram tablet. I made that mistake. And another product that I take right now every day is Monolaurin. And I chose the Solaray brand. There's different brands, but I trust Solaray. I use it for years. I always buy this brand in different products, and it's excellent. Now this is a virus fighter, so if you want to add this to your regimen to help fight off bacteria and viruses, that's what Monolaurin does. And I would say that Monolaurin is not okay for you to take if you're allergic to coconut, because that's what it's derived from. So don't, if you're allergic to coconut, don't take this product. I first learned about this from Ella's for Living and Natalie the Beauty Diva. They both take this product, and I like both those ladies and I trust them. So I decided that I would add it to my regimen also. And any of these products that I'm mentioning, I will list them down below in my description. So if you'd like to take a look at them, you can. And this is another product that I've purchased this for years. This is the Now brand elderberry liquid, and I really would say that's a syrup. And it tastes really good. But I use this. It's a free radical fighter. It's an immune booster. It will lessen the duration of your cold or your flu if you take it when you first start getting it. And it's also great for allergies, and that's why I take it all the time. I like to take a tablespoon of this at night before I go to bed, because I'm the kind of person where I'm very allergic, and I wake up in the morning, I'm blowing my nose and I'm coughing, and I noticed that when I started taking this at night, that I had a lot less of that aggravation in the morning. So if you have that issue, you may want to try this and see if it helps you like it does me. And this is a really good tea. This is a nice one to try right now, this time of year. It's Yogi Tall Spice Berry Immune Support Tea. And it tastes really nice. Nice little tea to be sipping on this time of year to help boost your immune system. And I enjoy that tea a lot. And I've used these for years. This is the emergency drinks, and you've probably seen these advertised on commercials. But these are nice. They taste good. There's different flavors, and I got the Immune Plus one. Now I did notice that it's cheaper to buy this off of Amazon right now than it is to purchase it in the store. It was for me. And I've tried different flavors. Raspberry's excellent. The orange is good, and they have one called Blueberry Acai. I love that one too. But this one is very good if you're feeling sick. Then I just start sipping on these as soon as I get a sore throat or I start feeling under the weather. I start sipping on these. They're rich in electrolytes, B complex, and vitamin C, and they're good too. Like if you've been outside shoveling the snow or you've been mowing the grass and you're a little exhausted, go ahead and have one of these, and it'll help give you a nice little pick me up. And they do have this in a children's version too. I think it's a fruit punch flavor. My kids used to like that. I used to get it for them, and they have a children's formula in this fruit punch, and they like that a lot. But it's available for children too. And this. Now these are just hand wipes, but I put a package of these in my purse because when I go out to the store, I don't want to grab onto those cart handles and without wiping them down. And I know a lot of stores have the wipes right there, but a lot of them don't. So I just tuck a pack of these in my purse, and I wipe down the cart handles before I go shopping around in the store. So that's just something I do. So I thought I'd share that with you. And I think is that it? Yeah, that's it. Those are the things that I add to my supplements in the wintertime to try to ward off that cold and that flu, and my husband does it too. So I just wanted to share that with you. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, I hope you click that red subscribe button and click that little gray bell next to it, so when I come back with helpful tips and information, you just get a notification. That way you can come back and visit with me, and I can visit with you. And I'll see you next time. Bye for now.